Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine in Safari on your Mac. Whether you want to switch to Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Yahoo, or Ecosia, it only takes a few seconds. Let's jump in. Start by opening Safari on your Mac. Next, head to the top left corner of your screen and click Safari in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings. When the Settings window opens, click on the Search tab at the top. Right at the top of this section, you'll see a drop-down labeled Search Engine. Click it, and you'll get a list of available options, like Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. Just pick the one you prefer, and that's it. Safari will now use your selected search engine every time you type something into the address bar, and you're all set. A super simple way to personalize your Safari browsing experience. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy Mac guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.